In this video, I am about to show you how to do generative AI with Vertex AI Prompt Design. This hands-on lab lets you do the lab activities yourself in a real cloud environment, not in a simulation or demo environment. It does so by giving you new temporary credentials that you use to sign in and access Google Cloud for the duration of the lab. To complete this lab, you need to access a standard internet browser. To start your lab and sign into the Google Cloud console, click the Start Lab button. If you need to pay for the lab, a pop-up opens for you to select your payment method. On the left is the lab details panel with the Open Google Cloud Console button, time remaining, and other information if needed to step through this lab. Next, click Open Google Cloud Console or right-click and select Open Link in Incognito window if you are running the Chrome browser. The lab spins up resources and then opens another tab that shows the sign-in page. If necessary, copy the username below and paste it into the sign-in dialog. Also, you can find the username in the lab details panel. Click Next, copy the password below, and paste it into the welcome dialog. Then click Next and click through the subsequent pages to accept the terms and conditions. After a few moments, the Google Cloud Console opens in this tab. In your Google Cloud project, navigate to Vertex AI Workbench. In the top search bar, enter Vertex AI Workbench of the Google Cloud Console and go to User Manage Notebooks. Click Open Jupyter Lab, and then the Jupyter Lab will run in a new tab. Open the Generative AI folder and navigate to the Generative AI folder on the left-hand side of the notebook. Now navigate to the language, then select the prompts folder. After that, click on the intro_prompt_design.ipynb file. Follow the steps in the notebook and run each cell one at a time. Later, click Check My Progress to verify the objectives. In the file directory on the left-hand side, double-click to open a folder, language/prompts/examples. Open any of the notebooks in the folder to explore the different use cases where prompt engineering can help generate the results desired from the Vertex AI SDK. After opening a notebook, run each cell one at a time to view the results of the operations in the notebook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.